these they're for birds, these bird toys. I'm not going to use them for a bird. I got them to use in my hamster cage. I don't 100% know how I'm going to put them in right now because I don't have a wire cage. I am thinking about taking the screws off and attaching them somehow like this maybe. I'm not for sure. It's kind of sad I didn't think that far ahead. But these are well made. They're thick. They're nice. It's all wood. 100% wood. There are little brad nails in it, it looks like. But they're real tiny ones. If you have a wire cage, it's going to be easy enough to put them on because they unscrew. You stick them on your cage on your wire, and you know, just kind of screw them on, and then you know they're going to be held up. Since I don't have a wire cage, my setup's just going to have to be a little bit different. So again, I don't really know. My hamster likes to climb, but there are some other little things on them, so I don't know, like, that's what that's for. Okay, so, I mean, if you're getting this for a bird, it's awesome. They can swing, they can climb, they can get up on a ladder, you know, to get up here. But for a hamster, I just don't know. I might even end up having to put some legs on it, some type of, I'll think of something. It's nice. It's not going to be harmful to any animal. I really think it's just pine. I think. But it's great. It's good quality. The whole thing is. No splinters, nothing rough. But there you go.
This set is solid wood with metal attachments, and the main shelf measures 7 inches long and about 5 1/4 inches wide, and it has the little poles and rails on one end, and then the ramp measures about 9 1/2 inches long and 3 3/4 inches wide, and then the swing is 5 1/4 inches long on the bottom, but then the space for sitting on is 3 inches wide, and the poles, including the hooks, are about 5 3/4 inches long. And there's the attachment part where you attach it to the cage bars. Just put those through and put the washer on, and then screw the attachment pieces on. So that's all simple. And then the swing part, you put on those loops, but as you can see, they're kind of misshaped, so the swing didn't stay on very good. So I took that off, and I wanted to put the shelf down lower anyway, so I didn't end up using the swing there. I just hung it on a different spot on the cage. And there's the ramp. You put it at an angle so they can walk up, and then screw it on securely. So that's really easy to do, and there's my mouse checking it out. And it wasn't splintery, so that's good. There was a couple spots there where the rails are, where little wood pieces were sticking out, but they weren't splintery. And there's the swing. I just hung it there since I didn't want it on the shelf part.